Hi everyone, happy Sunday. This is John Macaluso here at the 13 News Studio. Today is the first alert weather day here because we've got a really good chance at getting some rain here in the Tucson area. Let's take a quick look outside. You can see plenty of cloud coverage. This is a camera from Mount Bigelow. You can still see some snow on the ground even, and we can expect a pretty good chance of adding to that snow thanks to this new system coming through our area. Let's take a quick look at the rain chances right now, and you can already see on this radar in the upper left-hand side of your screen that storm's starting to make its way in here. There's a 90% chance of rain here in Tucson, Marana, Oro Valley, Green Valley. Really good chance of getting some rain here in our area. Casa Grande, 80%, 40% in Ajo. Now keep in mind that there's also a 40% chance in Bisbee, but a little bit later in the evening, that chance is going to jump up to about 70 or 80%, along with the rest of Cochise County. 80% in Nogales and 70% in Sassabee there as well. You can expect this storm to really start making its presence known by about 1 o'clock here. This is a look at about 12:45 p.m. and you can see at the bottom of your screen that is the system that will be bringing all of this rain and then potential snow to these upper elevations. We'll get a little bit closer on it. This is a look at about 2 p.m. So a 20% chance of rain at 1 p.m. That's going to jump up to 90% by about 2 p.m. And you can see right there on your screen that's because much of eastern Pima County by this point is almost completely covered by that green, which is potential rain, right? Here's a look at 7 p.m. So the later we get into the evening, the more of a chance that Cochise County gets, that higher that precipitation chance goes up. Now we're expecting not a whole lot of rain from this storm. It's pretty fast moving, but we are expecting maybe about half an inch at the most here, at least in Tucson. As far as snow is concerned, we will be in a weather winter warning for the higher elevations. That includes Summer Haven and the Mount Lemmon area as well. And here's a look by about 10 p.m. where the system has kind of really made its way out, but we'll still have a little bit of trickling effects, probably about a 20% chance of rain here in the Tucson area. Let's take a quick look at current temperatures, though. We are kind of warm today for this time of the day, especially compared to the last few days. 48 degrees in Tucson, 45 in Safford, Marana at 48 degrees, 47 there, 46 actually in Bisbee. Here's a look at some of the high temperatures you can expect. 57 degrees is the high in Tucson, but it's pretty similar to what we saw yesterday. 55 in Oro Valley and in Marana, 52 in Ajo, 56 out there in Douglas, and 51 in Sierra Vista. Quick look at the 7-day forecast. Of course, today we've got that high of about 57 degrees, 90% chance of precipitation, mainly after 2 p.m. Keep in mind the overnight early morning lows over the next few days, over the next 3 days actually, they're going to be around freezing or below freezing in the case of tonight and tomorrow night. Because of that, we are going to see a freeze watch in place for our area. So be aware of that. If you have any plants, make sure to cover them, or even if you can, bring them inside over the next few days because it will be very cold. Tomorrow, a high of 48 degrees. That is pretty chilly. And then we'll see a little bit of a warm-up ahead of another system that's coming to our area, which is much smaller than the one that we're expecting today. So you guys stay warm out there, of course, when this weather comes and we start getting some rain, we start getting some snow. Make sure you're driving carefully out there. And have a good day. We'll catch you a little bit later for our 5:30 p.m. newscast here on 13 News. Have a good day.